We say good morning to our friends again.
No, I need to put agua in the dirt.
Oh yeah. No, we're not gonna put agua in the dirt.
No, I put agua in dirt.
Okay, well we're gonna tell our friends how to make a self-watering plant. It's very easy and very quick.
No,
I know. Someone's in a little bit of a mood this morning.
I need to put.
So we will try to show you everything really quickly. Come help you? You need to come help me.
No,
Okay, well I'm going to show my friends how to make a self-watering plant.
no, please help me.
He's in quite the mood this morning.
I can make an agua.
I know, we're going to, okay, why don't you show our friends how to fill the bottom of their container. So you're going to take any kind of bottle. A 2-liter works best, but somebody threw mine out that I bought specifically for this. That's not going to work. That's a funnel. So just cut your bottle in half because you're going to place it like this.
Like this.
So fill this part up with water.
Yeah.
Yep, fill that one up with water. Use your bucket.
Yeah.
I don't think it's going to work that way. You have to pour it this way.
This.
Hold the bucket.
I'm gonna put in.
Alright. Let's back you up so that your friends can see what you're doing. Alright.
I'm gonna put
Okay.
in. Put in
Like this.
agua.
Alright. That should be good, okay?
I'm gonna put agua in dirt.
No, we're going to put it like this.
No, I put agua in dirt.
And it doesn't work. This is a funnel.
In dirt.
Okay, well you try.
I tried this.
Oh, you're going to put it on the dirt? Alright. Well, he doesn't seem too interested this morning.
To like in it.
But we chose one of our tomato plants that we had lying around in the greenhouse that didn't go in the garden bed. I was going to do one of our peppers, but I actually put them all in the bed like 2 days ago. Help you what, babe? You're going to get my mat all wet.
More agua.
Well, then go play in the pool. So I'm going to very carefully try and get this tomato plant out of this jar.
Make this more agua.
You need more water?
Yeah.
What happened to your water?
I put in dirt.
They put it in the dirt? Well, I need that water.
I need this agua.
Scared I'm gonna like kill it. Oh, okay, there we go.
I mean, put in agua.
You can start it with just a seed, but I think it's a little easier if you start with an existing plant.
Put in agua.
So try and put it so the roots are just touching the lip of the bottle, and then put some dirt in and let it get compacted. If you have any like mesh or like tool lying around, it's also a good idea to put that there just so that if you do end up watering it from the top, that it doesn't go all into the bottom. Hi, sweetheart. Oh, well, you gotta go get more water then.
I need to smell agua.
Okay, you go do that.
I hold that.
Okay, I hold this. Thank you.
I hold this.
Okay, why don't you go try and get water out of the pool?
I get out in the pool.
So fill it up just below the top. Don't fill it right up to the top, just in case it comes loose and then you get dirt everywhere.
It gets broken.
Yeah, you'll break your plant.
Yeah.
So I have some of the roots just barely coming out of the bottom. And then we have our bottom part, which he doesn't want to give me.
Agua.
Yes, the water. Okay, help me put the water in the bottom for our plant. I know, you got your own agenda today. So, the point of this is that you don't water it from the top, you water it from the bottom. So as long as you keep the bottom fairly filled, it doesn't have to touch the roots, but just be pretty much full. And the evaporation will cause the plant to be watered. Okay. Do you see your plant? I know. We'll go get another one. Do you need another cup?
No.
You want this cup?
No, I'll be this cup.
All right, well.
It's my elbow.
Okay, can I see the cup?
My cup.
All right, I'll have to get another cup because he doesn't want to give me that one. Very quick and easy to do. Especially if you don't have space for a garden and you just want to have a couple plants on the windowsill. It works really well for pretty much any plant, whether it's food or otherwise. Especially if you have no green thumb like me. I'm literally killing half our garden. I don't know why.
I hold it.
Yes.
I hold it.
Those who forget to water. There we go. I have to fill it with water again, but this kind of fit in nicely. It kind of locked itself. It has like a little ridge here. And I kind of just locked it about it falling. And you can use different sizes for different size plants and whatnot. If you have some bigger plants, or if this tomato plant gets a little bigger, I'll have to move it to a 2-liter bottle or maybe a old vinegar bottle. So we'll see how that one does. Our egg carton that we did last time was growing 2 days ago when I checked it, but it looks like one of the dogs or cats kind of trampled on it when they were out on the deck. So I can't show you that because it's dead. Yeah, you need more water?
Yeah.
Okay, go get the pool.
I guess my pool.
I'm going to show our friends our butterflies that we caught yesterday. That's the quick activity. And I'll probably make a whole bunch of them. Great way to reuse bottles. So let's try this again. We found some Eastern tail blues. I don't know if you can see them. There's one here, and there's one flying around.
It's not Paris.
There we go.
I'm a Paris.
Ooh.
Ooh.
They're very pretty, very quick.
I fly.
You're flying like a butterfly?
Yeah.
Can you show our friends? Show me. Show me fly like a butterfly.
Look up. Look.
Good job.
I look a bit.
Oh, flying like a bird too? I think we're going to keep them for a little bit more today.
Mommy, find more.
And then let them go this afternoon.
Come. Let me see.
Okay, I just have one more thing. I want to show our friends our book recommendation for the day.
No.
Oh, I know. You're so moody today.
Mom.
Okay. Let's see what you want to do. Where are you? Got your own thing going on today, don't you? You're just all over the place. Yeah, it's kind of dirty. I think we got to clean it a bit. And it looks like it's deflated.
I need that.
You need that?
I need this
Where are you?
By my hour.
You need some water?
Yeah.
Where's the... Here. Here you go. Where's your bucket?
Yeah.
Here.
Goodbye.
There you go. What do you need water for?
I will follow. I don't need this.
Who's visiting us? Oh, it's Tatiana. We're going to call her Auntie from now on. Say hi, Auntie.
Hi. Auntie. Hi, Auntie. Hi.
Auntie.
Hi, Auntie. Hi.
Oh, and it's Zach. Hey, Uncle Zach. Where are you? Hey, Zachy.
Hi. Hi.
Say, we miss you, Zachy.
I miss you, Mommy.
All right. He apparently wants to water the moss today.
Mom, look how much.
Oh, too much. It's going to get all over the mat. I think we're going to have to move. Woo. Are you watching the water run down the hill? This is my book recommendation for the day. I know it's in reverse.
I go goop.
You need to go scoop?
Yeah.
Okay, can you scoop right here?
I go look.
Okay, good job. Right there. I really like the illustrations in this one. It's kind of like, and it's really cute because anytime, okay, we'll go cut. Just 1 second. Can you go cut that one? The big one right there.
Because right there.
Where is it? So, every few pages, the dishes and vegetables, it's really adorable. So this book, it talks about trying new food. So it starts off, you might just want to try something new. Peppers, corn squash, and a pot of stew. So it's kind of got a little rhyme to it. I think it's because we're too far back in the yard. All right, let me move up a little bit. It's been really weird lately. What was the last thing that you were able to hear? I'll choose a different wall here. Where can I put my plant? I don't want it to get munched. There we go. All right. I don't know what was last said, but this book is very inclusive. All the children are different colors and cultures. And it has fun little, they don't talk about like the ideas, but they give you visual ideas of things to do with food. It encourages children to try different things. There was one, and not just different foods, but different ways of making the foods. Yeah, this one too. So it says, you might just want to try something new. Papaya, mango, guava. Taste 1 or 2. So it's really cute. Oh no. All right, well, it looks like this just isn't working today. And Caspian's on his own little adventure. Where are you?
Mom, I will eat pool.
You put more water in the pool? All right. Well, this doesn't seem like it's working, so let's say goodbye to our friends.
Bye, friends.
Bye, friends.
Bye.
Oh.
And they go scoop.
You're gonna go scoop? Okay. Well, bye, everybody.
Bye, Mommy.
Bye, everybody.